Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Mike and today I'm gonna teach you amazing pumpkin soup with vanilla, ginger, oranges and dates. Halloween is coming, pumpkins are everywhere, so let's do it. So we got everything prepared and first we start with peeling the pumpkin. Take out the skin first and then we're gonna do some slices for the chips. And then we're gonna fry them in hot oil around 150 degrees Celsius until they are nice and crispy. Put some salt on them and your pumpkin crisp are done. Now I'm gonna cut some dices for the garnish of the soup. So first I cut slices and then nice cubes. Then I cut pumpkin in half and take the seeds out, and the rest I cut to smaller pieces. Not a big deal how big, just make sure they are the same size so they are cooking evenly. And the seeds, don't throw it away guys. I wash them, dry them little bit of kitchen towel, and now I'll put them on baking paper and bake them on 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. And that's it, your roasted pumpkin seeds are ready to go. And now it's time to start with the soup. I put some butter on the pan and then my cutted pumpkin. Then I peel some ginger, cut it to smaller pieces and put inside the soup as well. I got here some vanilla, so I just cut it in the middle, scrape the seeds out and throw everything in the pan and let it to sweat together. And if you like today's recipe guys, give it thumbs up and leave me in the comment what you would like to see more on my channel so I can do better videos for you in the future. Next, I'm gonna need some orange segments and orange juice. So I peel one orange and then cut nice segments for my garnish. Then I put some juice as well, so the segments are not going to dry out. For the orange juice, I just slice few oranges in half and squeeze the juice out. I'm doing it with the hands, but you can use any other tool if you have. Now it's time to start with my dates puree. I put dry dates inside a pan with orange juice and I'm gonna cook it everything together until dates are completely disintegrated. And I also put some orange juice inside the soup and then around the same amount of chicken stock inside. Now I can put some salt and pepper and leave it to cook on medium heat until the pumpkin is completely soft.
Are you a young chef, business owner, or even amateur cook and you wanna improve your cooking skills, get some food inspiration and be trained by me? I'm doing personal cooking coaching and consulting. So check out the link in the description down below and we can work on your dreams together.
But now my dates are nicely cooked and it's time to bleach them. I put also some balsamic vinegar inside, so I'll get a little bit of sourness and darker color as well. I also put some salt and mix it again. Pass it through the sieve and dates puree is done. In this time, my pumpkin is cooked and I'm gonna put some double cream inside and cook for 5 more minutes. In the meantime, I cook also my pumpkin dices in salted boiling water around 2 minutes. And if you're first time here, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel I'm gonna teach you every week how to cook like a pro. And now it's time to bleach my soup. I'm gonna leave whole vanilla inside. You can take it out if you want, but I think vanilla is very expensive in these times, so I wanna get maximum flavor from it. I bleach the soup for 5 minutes and then I pass it through the sieve to get nice smooth pumpkin soup. But now is crucial part, you have to taste it and finish the seasoning. That's why I don't gonna give you exact recipe, because I want you to learn how to season your food. Depend how sweet was your oranges and depend of your pumpkin. Now you can put more sugar or little bit of lemon juice, and of course check it for salt. In my case, I just put little bit of salt and my soup is done. And now I got everything ready so I can put it on the plate. I start with my sweet and sour dates puree. Few cooked pumpkin dices, some orange segments, my roasted pumpkin seeds, few pumpkin crisp, little bit more of the puree, and finish it with small leaves of parsley. An amazing vanilla and ginger pumpkin soup coming into the jar on the side. Enjoy, guys. So I hope you learned something new today, guys. If you like it, give it thumbs up, and if you're not subscriber, hit the subscribe button so you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel I'm gonna teach you every week how to cook like a pro. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.